So I had a question recently about reel rhythms. So today's tip, we're going to talk about a bow pattern that can help you get the reel feel for reels. So this is going to be following more of a swing pattern. We've got more of this long, short, long, short, long pattern rather than short, long, short, long, short, long. So I'll show you what I mean. So let's take Devaney's Goat as an option here. So that's your long, short option. Now, if you were to play this with short, long bows, it'd be. Which is really hard to play fast. It sounds a little bit more like a Strasberg actually with kind of the Scottish snap there. But when you start to play fast, it's going to be a lot harder. So you're not really doing like a true dotted note here, but you've got a little bit more of that swing, da 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 da. So up to speed, that's. Give that a try. Nice, short, slow, long, short bows. Then speed it up and see what happens.